The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is generating a buzz even before its official launch, slated for early 2025. Rumors have begun circulating about some exciting features, particularly concerning the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to a recent leak, this model is expected to boast a significant RAM upgrade, with one version offering an impressive 16 GB of RAM. Well-known leaker Ice Universe shared this information on X, formerly Twitter, asserting that the S25 Ultra will definitely include a 16 GB RAM version, which is 100% confirmed. However, the details regarding which storage options will feature this upgrade remain unclear. It's uncertain if the 16 GB RAM will be available across all storage variants or limited to higher-end models like the 512 GB or 1 TB versions. This anticipated RAM upgrade is particularly noteworthy compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which currently offers 12 GB of RAM across all storage configurations. Samsung's move mirrors a similar upgrade by Google, which recently increased the RAM in all Pixel 9 Pro models to 16 GB. The portion of that memory is allocated to handle artificial intelligence tasks. If Samsung adopts a similar approach, it's likely that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could ship with 16 GB of RAM as standard. However, it's possible that some of this RAM may be reserved for Galaxy-related AI functions, leaving users with slightly less memory for other applications. While Ice Universe's leak primarily focuses on the Ultra model, it's likely that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will also receive RAM upgrades. Currently, the base Galaxy S24 starts with just 8 GB of RAM, so an increase to 12 GB, similar to the non-Pro Pixel 9, would be a welcomed improvement. As for the S25 Plus, which already comes with 12 GB of RAM, it remains unclear whether it will be bumped up to 16 GB to match the Ultra variant. Samsung might opt to keep the Ultra's higher RAM configuration to preserve its flagship status. In fact, Samsung tipsters have hinted that both the S25 and S25 Plus are expected to feature 12 GB of RAM next year. Performance insights for the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra have also emerged from its appearance on Geekbench. The model number SMS938U indicates it will likely be sold in the US. The benchmark results for the Galaxy S25 Ultra reveal a significant improvement over its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In single-core performance, the S25 Ultra scored 2,369 points, compared to 2,143 points for the S24 Ultra. The difference in multi-core performance is even more striking, with the S25 Ultra reaching 9,896 points, significantly higher than the 6,696 points achieved by the S24 Ultra. These results suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will deliver a considerable boost in speed and processing power, making it a formidable competitor for performance-heavy tasks. In a comparison with the new Galaxy S25 Ultra benchmark results and recent tests of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the iPhone scored around 3,400 in single-core and 8,300 in multi-core benchmarks. As is often the case, the iPhone excels in single-core performance but lags behind its Android counterparts in multi-core tests.